In this video, we're heading to Kanchanaburi in Thailand to take part in a Thai cooking class and to see the incredible waterfalls of Erawan National Park. Today we're leaving Ayutthaya and we're heading somewhere new. Unfortunately, that new place does require us to go back to Bangkok down the same line that we travelled up a couple of days ago. Also, unfortunately, we've arrived at the station within quite a sizable gap between services, so we have over an hour and a half to wait until the next train, which is kind of annoying. So this is going to turn into a bit of a travel day. Our next leg, once we've done the train journey, is by minibus. Hopefully, we've not booked it. We're just going to show up at the bus station, which is quite unlike us. We are people who book stuff, but not on this occasion. We'll see how it goes. I think it's going to be absolutely fine. There are so many minibuses plying the route that we intend to travel on. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm pretty sure it'll be fine though. It's 8:45 in the evening and we have just arrived in Kanchanaburi. We are here for, not this, but waterfalls and temples and...
You don't know, do you?
No, I don't know. This is the problem. I'm not really engaged with the itinerary. Jade has created the itinerary and I'm not really engaged with it. And I should. I should try to catch up. But let's find out, shall we? Let's cut to tomorrow and find out what's in Kanchanaburi together. The next morning, we started our day with a visit to the Railway Museum, telling the story of the Thailand to Burma Railway, built in 1942 to 43 by labourers and prisoners of war. The construction of the railway claimed the lives of thousands. A short walk down River Kwae Road is Bridge 277, otherwise known as the Bridge over the River Kwae. That afternoon, we were at On's Thai-Issan restaurant to take part in a vegan Thai cooking class. We are cooking massaman curry. The cooking class was really good fun and great value. As you can see, we made a lot of food. We made so much, in fact, that we even had leftovers. On our second morning in Kanchanaburi, we hired a scooter and headed towards Erawan National Park. Helmet hair. So we've just stopped off. We're halfway to the waterfalls, and of course we've stopped at a 7-Eleven because they're everywhere. We're just going to get ourselves a cold drink. This is a big 7-Eleven. So this is all our leftover food from the cooking class yesterday. And yeah, bought a couple of drinks and some chili flavoured broad beans with skin at the 7-Eleven. And we're just sitting by the roadside. There's our bike. Lovely sunny day. Lovely. Look at this! How lucky are we? Out on the open roads. Barely paid anything for this thing for the day. Beautiful views, and we're on our way to some hopefully beautiful waterfalls. How's it for you?
Yeah, good. This is my day. Almost my journey.
It's a lovely back of the head though, isn't it? And we've arrived at Erawan National Park
Yes.
for some waterfalls, which we might get in. I'm excited.
Less of a chance for me getting in.
Yeah, because obviously, yeah, it might be quite cold. But let's see. I read a review just before we arrived that each fall gets progressively better. Let's hope so. We're at waterfall number 3. Jay's convinced me, and I think herself, to go for a little paddle. You can actually swim in these, no problem. But we're just going to paddle for now. We're told that the fish, which you might be able to see here, will nibble at your feet and nip the dead skin off your feet. So after you, since this was your idea, look at them, they're poised. They're poised. Look at them creeping up. Yeah, they want you to go a bit closer.
Oh my god, they're swarming. I'm so scared. It didn't hurt or anything, it was just a shock. Yeah. Do you want to have a go? Let's see you do it then.
I'm scared.
Honestly, it's alright. It's unethical, but in the past I had done a foot fish spell, and that was okay.
Oh yeah, a proper crab. No, that's biting, that is.
No, it's like, present your heel, because your heel's thick.
Wow, yeah.
Just kind of
That's
see with the
proper.
reflections.
I know, it's a shame, eh? Yeah, they proper like grab on. Sorry if you can't really see what was going on there, but yeah, they properly attach. Maybe there's a better viewpoint up at the next waterfall. entire body. Yeah, should we go here? We're on our way back to Kanchanaburi, and all the way along the route are these little eateries, little cafes, and we just couldn't resist stopping. So there's Jade sitting there, and we're waiting for a lovely Thai black tea and a lychee soda. Just what we need.
Hello.
Not. Oh, that's very close. Not as.
Where's your backpack on?
Oh. Should we do that again? Come on then, let's go back to Kanchanaburi. Ready? All right. Oh, now it's super busy. Oh. And I think we're good after this. Oh God. Right, come on then. Stop mucking around. Thank you so much for watching the latest instalment from our adventures in Thailand. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a like, drop us a comment and subscribe for even more videos from our tour of Southeast Asia. In our next video, we're in the historic town of Sukhothai, another of Thailand's UNESCO World Heritage Sites.